Hello guys. So today we'll be talking about payments gateway with Paystack and Flutterwave. So in this section, we're going to be creating an account for Paystack. And we're going to be creating an account for Flutterwave so that we can connect both Flutterwave and Paystack to our Ecommerce website or to our online website that we want to accept any forms of credit card payment so that it can pay online. So I will open Paystack, go to paystack.com, and just type Paystack on Google. You see Paystack, click on it. Let's go to Flutterwave. So we tap Flutterwave. So firstly, we're going to talk about Paystack. And right now, so I will have to log into my email address so that I can use my email account to open the Paystack account. Okay, so let's say I use this email. I'm logging in to my email. Okay, so now I'm logged into my email address. All right, so now let's get started. So let's click on create free account, and then to take us to Paystack dashboard, to the link to create our account. So I'm gonna select any country that you're from in Africa, select it. So I will select Nigeria, and business name, I will say DST Technology. First name, Bolaji Lukman. I can just say, I can put any name that I want here, right? So I can just say Bolaji, right? So I will input this email address again that I opened here, right? And then I will use my number. So I will input my number right here. So remember this number. So I will add my number right now. So let me check one of my number that I had. Okay, so I will add this number. So after adding the number, I will set my password. So what type of business? So now this is the tricky part. So what kind of business do you want to open with Paystack? So if you are single individual, you don't have a big company or a big market, just small business that you're doing, you go with startup business. For people that have registered their business with some CAC or they have a registered business, you select a registered business. But as a startup, as a starter, small business, you have not registered your business, you need to go with startup business for now. So by the time you started growing and then started having large customers and then started receiving large orders, you can register for your business with the government and then you can do that from your dashboard. So are you a software developer? So if you're a developer, if you're a programmer, you can select yes. If you're not, select no. It doesn't have anything to do with the registration, all right? So I will select yes because I'm a software developer. So I will click on as I consent to this account, then I will create my account. So now I will go to my email to verify my account. So I will confirm this email address. And after confirming this email address, so I will log in with my email that I just created. DST. Right, so I will input my password that I created and I'll hit login. Cool. So this is the first thing. This is the thing. This is the only thing that you're gonna see. This is the thing that you're gonna see. So all you need to do is got it, and then you fill your business. So DST technology, just input the description of your business. This is the next thing to do. Currently now you cannot do anything with your Paystack account because it is in test mode. So you can just say this is people in digital skills in Africa. So how many staff do you have in your company? Do you have more than 5? If you have more than 5, select it. Industry. So I will select 1 to 5 industry. I will select education. That's the industry. If your own case is selling, buying and selling, select commerce. If it is fintech, financial institution, select financial service. If it is healthcare, stuff like that. If it is entertainment, select any of these that support what you're trying to do. So category, I will say other to virtual learning, right? So since I'm doing startup business, I can only accept 2 million naira in Nigerian currency with this account. After 2 million naira, I will need to upgrade this account to a registered business account, right? But for now, I don't have a document. I don't have sales registration for this. I don't have corporate bank accounts for DSC technology, stuff like that. So which is why I'll be going for startup business. If I have the document, I can just change it here and put registered, right? But I'm going with startup business. So I'll just click on save. And then after that, so that was saved, I will go to contact. So the contact will now be like select your name and your ID card and stuff like that, blah blah blah. Input it there, right? So use general email. We use general email. We use general email for this portal. So leave my website like that. So dstechnology.com.ng. I'll just use that. If you have Instagram account, Facebook account, add them into this link. If you don't have, forget about it. So office address, choose your address. If you are in Nigeria, select Nigeria. So states, Abuja, FCT, Federal Capital Territory. Select Kubwa, right? Select street address, right? You can select let's say apartment house. Just leave that. Make sure you select your detail correctly. So after the contact is saved, and you go to the owner. So after that, you go to owner, and then this owner, this the where it is complicated. You need to have a document like your government ID, international passport, driver's license, and anything that can identify you for being the owner of this business. So I will just input this like that. I will select date of birth, select here, select July. I will just select random day, right? It's a okay. Nationality, Nigeria. If you are from Nigeria, select Nigeria. If you are from another country, select another country. So what are the mode of identification you want to use? Driver's license, anyone you have. Bank, Nigerian bank verification number, any BVN you have, 2234. Can input your BVN 22322345678910910, like that. Then same as your address, upload proof of address. So if you have proof of address, you're going to so you need to upload. So let's look at what we can. So upload proof of address. You are going to upload your address right here, and then proof of address, you can upload that is utility bill, bank statements that is showing your address. Make sure you upload it here. Any type of document, your everything. If you have a NEPA bill, you upload it right here. Okay, so this is how you can go about this. Then you click on save, right? So after you click on save, you come to account. Then you choose your bank. Let's say you have Access Bank account number. You input your account number 0029115841. So you input your account number. If your account valid, so you hit on save. Then after you hit on save, let's say Sterling. So Sterling Bank is going to validate this 5841. So this will validate it because it's correct. So you click on save. After you click on save, then the next thing that you will see is after you click on save here, it will now bring you submit. And after that, all you need to do is hit submit, right? All you need to do is hit submit, and then after it submit, you wait for Paystack to approve your account and verify your account. So that is all I will explain to you in this section. So now I will want us to go back now to check how we can, if we have if what we have is not startup business. I have a business and my business is registered. Now I can use my registered business to fill this form now, right? So what I need to do is go back to so I will edit this section. Remember the beginning. If you have a registered business, select registered business. If your business is registered, put the legal name of your business, right? What is the registration type? If it is incorporated company, if it is business name, anything that can depict your business, then you hit save. Then every other information will follow just like the way we have done it. Now there will be a little bit of difference in your contact, I think. So you need to fill all this, your addresses. Let's look at accounts. Okay, so now this is where you need to be very, very careful again. Whatever it is you are having, if you have Access Bank, right? Account number that you should be putting here should be the account number that is on your profile. That is the name of your company. You know, you have registered your company, right? You have your CDC document, you have your document correct completely. Now you should have you have your document, then you should have opened your business account, right, with bank. So now that business account is going to input the account number here and then need to validate. Make sure that the name on the account is the same as the name of your company. Otherwise, Paystack will not approve it. Click on save, upload the document. And now this document section is where you now upload the proof of your document, where you upload your certificate, then your business name number. If you select company, you say RC number, and you upload your CAC certificate right here. So certificate of business name, upload it here. Other certificate that comes from your business, upload it here. And then if you are the only owner, leave it, then click on save. If you have more than one owner, add the other person that is there. Add the person, you can say add someone, then it will bring the details of that person. Then you add the person right here, and then you save. And then once you save, you say submit a document, and then you click on submit. And after that, you are ready to go. This is how you can create your Paystack account for your business, whether you're registered or you're not registered. So after a day, after like 24 hours, Paystack will approve your registration. All right. So I believe this will help you. And then you see I am in test mode, so this business is not yet approved. Once it is approved, it will change to live mode. And once it change to live mode, I cannot connect my APIs to my business to my website. So since if you're using WordPress, there's a Paystack plugin on WordPress that we can install that will connect our accounts with Paystack, and automatically Paystack will be activated on our website. So the same way we can do for Flutterwave as well. So in our next section, we'll talk about how we can create an account for Flutterwave. Thank you.